front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings. Scroll and tap on this section here called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open under Google and tap on Google Password Manager. Now you need to click on one of your passwords you wanna get rid of and enter your screen lock. Choose Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!